In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a thermostat and housing on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind your front bumper. Now it's time to remove your engine splash shield. It's held on by a series of clips. Got one here, starting on the driver's side of the vehicle. Sometimes these clips come out in two pieces, like that. Another one beside it. That. Back to the driver's side. Take that one out. Just remember, if you break these, you definitely have to replace them. Take that out. You need to remove these two clips. Just pull down, pull out, pull down, pull out, and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're in the front of the vehicle, underneath your bumper. This one's missing. Over this one. Pull that out. And there's your splash shield. You're going to look at the bottom of your radiator, and that's your petcock. You want to twist this white piece to your left, and that's going to drain your coolant. You obviously want to have a bucket underneath this, and you do not want to reuse this coolant. Once your radiator is drained completely, take your petcock, turn it to the right, and snug it up. After you tighten your petcock, just to the left of it is your thermostat with the housing. It's held down by 3 10mm bolts and 1 clamp for your lower radiator hose. First, we're going to take off this clamp here for the bottom radiator hose. I'm going to squeeze these two together, slide it up the hose. There will be fluid that's going to come out of here, so make sure you put a bucket underneath to get your fluid. You do not want to reuse that fluid. Once you have your hose off, just push it off to the side. Now your housing is held on by 3 10mm bolts, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. You want to remove those. You have 1 clip up here that holds your wiring harness to your housing. You need to remove that. Just pry to the left. Just put it off to the side. Or just push it up over the housing. This is what your thermostat housing looks like off the vehicle. We already removed these 2 10mm bolts. We also removed the wiring cables from here. This is another 10mm bolt here. We just can't get the camera in there to show you. But if you fish around, you will see that 10mm bolt on the top. You want to clean your housing surface. Make sure there's no debris before you install your housing. Take your housing, line up your bolt holes, start your bottom 2 bolts. Now install your top bolt. And let's get ready to tighten them down. And those 3 10mm bolts get torqued to 9 foot-pounds. You do the same for all 3. Now you clip your wiring back into your holder. And you take your lower radiator hose and install it back onto your thermostat housing. Make sure your hose is all the way down onto your housing. Now we can install our clamp. We're getting ready to install our splash shield. We're on the driver's side of the vehicle. These two holes, you want to tuck inside these two here. Take your 2 pins and push them through the hole. These grooves here go into these holes. Just like that. You can install your clips now, just to give you a hand with holding it. We'll start with this one instead. Push your clip in. Same thing over here. That in. Push your clip in. I'd like to move to the back of it. That way you don't have to keep holding it up. You can put one of your clips into the back here. Hold that. Then it's going to hold your shield up. Now you can go around to all your other clips and install them. Underneath, on the driver's side. Now we're on the driver's side. Tuck that up underneath this other splash shield. Put your clips back in. And do the same on the other side. Now we're on the driver's side, last one is underneath. Now we're back in the engine area. You have your coolant, whatever the manufacturer tells you to put for coolant, that's what you want to put for coolant. You want to run your vehicle for at least a half an hour. Make sure you have heat in your vehicle. Once you have heat, you can cap off your radiator, take it for a ride, make sure there's no funny noises, and you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.